Hello, hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third and last puzzle for today. In this edition of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, January the 5th, 2022. And I've told you in this additional half of the puzzles I will solve because we have 6 puzzles. Letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars Sudoku, tectonic with 4 stars. Well, I've just solved this. It's not really a 4 stars, 2 stars. Tectonic with 1 star. And a binary. And it's time for the binary now. Boys and girls, number 3937 it will be. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Well. And now double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Well, we have here double 1, here no, there no. Let me see. Yeah. Am I stuck? Well. Come on. Interesting. We have here 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, the 4th one, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this cannot be 1. This should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Then. Yeah. How about? Let me see. Interesting. Come on. Well, I think we need to compare. And we have 2 rows. How about this column and that column? 1 empty box, empty box. We need to switch these 2 digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Then do we need to compare again? Cannot believe this. Well. Where is the opening? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Let me think. Well, I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. Same for these two digits, O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between. The O and a 1 should be there here also. O and a 1. And then I need to compare because I cannot continue. Okay, so this I cannot go. How about this one? 1, 1. This row and that row. 1, 1, 1, 1, empty box, 1, 1. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 ones we have here in this row, so the rest are O's, and 4 O's we have here in this row, so the rest are 1s. Finish in 6 minutes. Alright, great binary. And I like this one, yes I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the binaries, playlists for the tectonics, playlist for the letter Sudoku. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the quintuplet, the killer Sudokus, all kind of puzzles or Sudokus. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Anyway, thank you for watching. Have a great and fantastic Wednesday. And we will meet again, tomorrow, another day, on Thursday. Until then, bye-bye for now.